Hello everybody and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I can show you how to add or remove DPI stages on your SteelSeries Rival 3 Gen 2 mouse. Of course, before we start you should download and install GG software on your computer. So you should find it on the official website, or if you don't know how to install it, you can always watch our video about it. Then on GG software find engine tab, select your mouse, and cool, here we have our settings. So now you will see a section where you can adjust your DPI. So DPI it's dot per inch settings. DPI basically control how fast your mouse cursor moves on the screen when you move your physical mouse. Higher DPI means the cursor moves faster, but with smaller physical movements you can with small physical movements you can just cross more distance on your screen. And the lower DPIs means that on the, so I can show you with this distance, for example, on physical distance, I can cross less place on my screen. Okay. Oh, maybe it was a bad idea. Cool. So how to add DPI stages? As you can see here we have several stages. So 800, so it's a really slow movement. 1400, 1600 and 2400. For example, nobody wants 3200, maybe nobody. And you can remove this level. So just select the level you wanna, just select the stage you wanna remove, click remove level, and you can click plus button. When you click in plus button, you create a new level. You can set it up. For example, I wanna use, I don't know, 900 or for example 1000 DPI. You can input it manually, and cool. Now we have different DPIs levels. For example, it's my custom DPI level 2. Now to switch between levels you just should click on this button. As you can see, each level has its different color on the mouse wheel. And of course it's very important that, for example, in case when you want to have only two levels, two speeds, so you can remove all levels and leave only two of them, right? And now you can switch just between two levels, and it can be really handy and helpful for people. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.